What's up guys, welcome back to my channel SuperWowStyle. This is Prachi and in today's video we're going to talk about my current hair care routine which has personally helped me tremendously in dealing with hair loss issues, hair breakage issues. My hair is looking amazing right now. Just look at me flaunting my hair. I'm in love with my hair. Now let me back this up a little bit and tell you, just a while ago, my hair was struggling through so much. I had such major hair loss, such major hair breakage. Every time I would comb or brush through my hair, such large clumps of hair would come out. It was seriously scary. So this can happen for a lot of reasons. For me, it was personally because of lifestyle, pollution, swimming, heat damage, chemical damage, just the usual stuff. I know a lot of you will be able to relate to this, right? And I feel like I had tried every trick, so many products, nothing was helping me. So let me tell you what products I'm currently using. So I'm currently using the L'Oréal Professionnel Density Advanced Shampoo, the L'Oréal Professionnel Metal DXMask, and of course the L'Oréal Professionnel Aminexil Advanced Serum. So what does my current hair care routine look like? Like I told you, it's very simple guys. I start with the shampoo, which is the L'Oréal Professionnel Density Advanced Shampoo. I would say this is the ideal densifying shampoo for my fine hair. It actually helps in increasing my hair volume and I started seeing results very early on. I like to follow this up with the L'Oréal Professionnel Metal DX Mask. I apply it from mid-length to the ends of my hair because it helps to neutralize the metals present in the hair fiber. It makes my hair stronger and shinier. So the shampoo and the hair mask, I currently use them thrice a week. That's the frequency. I would recommend you do the same thing thrice a week, okay? For the last and final step of my routine, where I use the L'Oréal Professionnel Aminexil Advanced Serum, I actually use this every single day, regardless of whether I'm shampooing and using the hair mask or not. This is a product I will use every single day, and using this is very simple. So I prefer using this on damp hair. I section my hair using my fingertips. You can use a comb if that's what you want, and then going section by section, I just hold the spray a few inches from my head and spray for about 5 to 6 times on my scalp. Then I gently massage it in so it spreads easily and evenly. And that's it. That's all I'm doing for my hair. So my hair has completely transformed. If I tell you, my hair has completely transformed as I sit here today, just first of all, just look at my hair, okay? It's looking healthy, shiny, bouncy, voluminous. It's looking happy, right? This is how my hair is looking. And then of course, when I comb through my hair, when I brush through my hair, there is no hair breakage, there's no hair loss, there's nothing. From large clumps of hair to this, it's absolutely amazing in just 6 weeks. In fact, let me show you a quick before after transformation, okay? This will help you understand things better. I can't believe how much my hair has transformed in just 6 weeks. It's absolutely amazing. Personally, if you ask me, I feel like if it can transform my hair, given how my hair was back then, right? How my hair has transformed from that to this, I feel like it can help anyone. So if you are struggling with similar issues, I would highly recommend that you give this range a try. I'll put the links down in the description box below so you can check it out for yourselves. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye-bye.